Hello everyone. In this task, we are going to perform how to install Grafana on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS AWS EC2. Now we will discuss about the prerequisite for this task. First is Ubuntu 22.04 LTS EC2 install with studio privileges, sufficient storage system, then good internet connectivity. Then next is any web browser installed. Then open port 3000 in security group. So first step for a Grafana on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS AWS EC2. So firstly we have update the packages. Then add official Grafana JPG key in Ubuntu. Then add Grafana APT repository in Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. After add APT repository, then update packages. Update the packages, then install Grafana on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Then check Grafana service status. If not started, then start using systemctl. Then open port 3000 in security group if not added. All installation and configuration done, then access the Grafana on web browser. Then log in to Grafana using default username and password and Grafana web overview. So now let's connect to the instance, which we have already have created SSH in mobile stream. Here copy IP address for our creating EC2 instance and go to SSH. Go to session, click on SSH, add your IP and specify username as Ubuntu. Then go to advanced SSH setting, use private key. We have we have been created during creation of EC2 instance. So first step is update the system packages on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So now you have update the latest packages with this command. Copy this command and run in mobile stream. Now we can see it is updating the latest packages. In this next step is install the prerequisite packages for Grafana. Prerequisite like transport HTTP, software properties, and wget. Let's copy this command. Now we can see install the Grafana packages. Now third step is import Grafana official JPG key in Ubuntu. Below this command. So first command is make a folder directory keyrings apt directory. And now second command is download the Grafana JPG key and add into etc apt keyrings and grafana.jpg. One step is done. Go to next step is add Grafana official apt repository. Using below command, this will download the Grafana apt repository and add into etc apt source list of Grafana dot list. Copy this command and run. Then next is run the following command to update the list of available packages. Step 5. Update the list of available packages. Let's update the packages once again. Now we can see update the packages. Next step is install Grafana open source using below command. Let's install the Grafana using this command. Now we can check here Grafana is installed. Then go to next step is check Grafana service status. First command is systemctl start Grafana server. The next command is to check the service status we can use. To check the service status, we can use this command systemctl status Grafana server. Let's copy this command. Now we can see here Grafana active service status is running. Open the Grafana default port 3000 in EC2 security group. Let's access this service on browser. We have to assign one port to run our service on browser. For that, let's assign one port. Now go to EC2 instance. We have already created. Go to security and not select here default. Then go to security group ID. Go to edit bounds rule. Add rule. Select custom TCP. Port range is 9090. Select custom is anywhere IPv4 and save rules. Now let's run in on browser. First copy the IP address. Go to networking. Copy the IP address. Go to browser and add this IP colon 3000. Now open the Grafana welcome page. Enter the username and password. Username is admin, same as password also. Update your password. Create a new password and click on submit. So now we can see here Grafana dashboard. This is all about Grafana installation. Thank you.